history of education in pharmacy ITB began in 1947. 12 years to the name of ITB was coined in 1959. At that time, the department was part of Universitas Indonesia. Since 2006, it was transformed to School of Pharmacy. There are 2 undergraduate programs, Pharmaceutical Science and Technology and Clinical Community Pharmacy.
The confinement of pharmacy practice to mainly the production and procurement of drugs is no longer relevant. Nowadays, pharmacists also have a major role in ensuring rational drug use. As a response to the changing field of pharmacies, since 2006, School of Pharmacy ITB offers a new program, which is Clinical and Community Pharmacy.
The aim of Pharmaceutical Science Technology Study Program to produce graduates that capable of utilizing their knowledge and skill in the pharmaceutical product development, able to identify and solve problems in research and development, production, and quality control of pharmaceutical products, willing to pursue an advanced degree and professional licensure for career opportunities, and possess strong ethic as well as high integrity and commitment, able to contribute to the welfare of society and the environment, and engage in lifelong learning for professional development and improvement.
The graduates from clinical and community pharmacy programs are expected to be able in performing pharmaceutical services and also giving information comprehensively to the community. The graduates also expected to be actively involved in drug development in both preclinical and clinical levels. Therefore, they may have a career in hospital, industry, government, and also university.
Here are some career opportunities: pharmaceutical, cosmetic, food and medical devices industries, regulatory field such as in the drug regulatory agencies and Ministry of Health, drug research and development, academia, and other related fields such as personal care products and chemical industries.
I was visiting several universities in Bandung with my father, and in order to get information on where I would like to continue my further studies. Now, none of the ones that I visited particularly impressed me, but when we went to the administrative office in the Annex ITB, the staff there said that there was going to be a new program called the International Class Program for Indonesian nationals who have studied outside of Indonesia with a non-Indonesian curriculum, like me. So he said that the classes are the same as the regular class, except that the language of instruction will be in English. And well, I saw that as an opportunity because I've always wanted to come to ITB to study. So when they opened for application, I decided to apply immediately.
When I was applying for my undergraduate study, I didn't know about SM International class at first. My parents told me about it and said that I might want to have a look at it, and that's how I applied. Particularly why I want to study in international class is because I finished my high school education abroad, and that's why when pursuing my undergraduate study, I think I will find it more comfortable to use English as well as to study in international class setting.
I wanted to be in the healthcare field, so I chose pharmacy.
ITB is one of the most prestigious institutions in Indonesia, so I believe that the lecturers in SF-ITB are among the best lecturers in the country, and they, along with other SF-ITB staffs, will provide the state-of-the-art education and facilities to their students.
Fun. We had city tours at the beginning of the academic year. In the first year, all of the study programs in the international class would have joined classes together for several of the courses. So our circle was also broadened with an ITB. And then not only from the international class, but also the regular class, because starting the second year, all our laboratory practices would be combined, even though the instructions would be delivered separately, but we did our experiments together. So we had a chance to bond and know one another from our other classmates in the same year.
I had good experience as an international student, especially meeting friends, usually from Malaysia, in my classes. But I meet a lot of people from different countries from summer school, which is regularly held by SFITB. Although I was not able to participate in international exposure abroad due to pandemic, I believe that the lecturers in SFITB are trying their best to fulfill the international students' interest, and hopefully in the future more international exposure program and opportunities will be available for the international students once the pandemic is over.
I am confident with the knowledge that I gained in ITB, together with the experiences that I've accumulated from participating in the student unions and student associations. I'm ready!